2025 Luxury Outdoor Living, Sustainable Courtyard Patios, Poolside Cabanas, and Kitchen Ideas. Step into the future of luxury outdoor living in 2025, where elegance meets environmental responsibility. This era of design brings forth courtyard kitchens equipped with state-of-the-art appliances and crafted from eco-friendly materials, blending convenience with conscious living. These kitchens are no longer just functional spaces. They are vibrant social hubs where sustainability speaks through the very choices of materials. Think countertops made from recycled glass or cabinets fashioned from sustainably sourced wood. The focus is on creating a culinary space that is as delightful to the senses as it is kind to the planet. The Poolside Cabanas have undergone a remarkable transformation, incorporating smart technology and sustainable elements. These cabanas are built with energy-efficient materials and equipped with intelligent systems that monitor energy consumption, automatically adjust lighting, and regulate temperature for optimal comfort. Solar panels are becoming a common fixture, powering smart climate controls and even heating pools. This union of luxury and technology ensures that relaxation by the poolside leaves a minimal environmental footprint. Groundbreaking concepts also extend to other aspects of outdoor living. Energy-efficient lighting solutions, such as LED fixtures and solar-powered lights, are strategically placed to enhance ambience while conserving energy. Outdoor furniture is increasingly crafted from reclaimed or rapidly renewable materials, demonstrating that style does not have to come at the expense of sustainability. These pieces are designed to withstand the elements and exude timeless elegance, proving that eco-conscious furniture can be both durable and sophisticated. Innovations in patio design feature motorized pergolas that provide adaptable shading, integrated with systems that harvest rainwater or utilize greywater to nourish surrounding greenery. This emphasis on water-saving technologies, combined with lush landscaping, further enhances the beauty of your outdoor spaces while preserving precious resources. Modular furniture systems allow for personalization and flexibility, inviting homeowners to transform their patios into multifunctional areas perfect for entertaining or quiet contemplation. In 2025, redefining outdoor luxury means embracing these eco-luxury materials, smart resource management, and advanced design techniques to create spaces that captivate with their elegance and inspire with their commitment to sustainability. Whether you are drawn to sleek, modern layouts or prefer verdant, lush sanctuaries, these trends offer innovative ideas to transform your home into a luxurious outdoor oasis. Let's redefine outdoor luxury together, merging sophistication with sustainability to enhance your living experience.